Hi guys, I'm just showing you guys this Boss Lady kit that I made today, and it is one of the 2-page kits. So I'm just going to show you guys how I would use this in my digital planner. So this is a 2-page kit. So I have converted this into a PNG file. And I'm basically just going to show you guys how I would do a little weekly layout with this. So I'm basically just editing the image, and then I'm just cropping out the pictures that I want, and I'm just laying them into my little diary here. Now I will leave all the links to everything that I'm using in the description. This kit will be up on Etsy, or if it isn't already, but it should be up on Etsy because I'm pretty happy with how it turned out. So yeah, basically all I'm doing is I'm just editing and cropping the images that I want to use, and I'm laying them down wherever I want to put the stickers. So with these sticker sheets, they are a little bit more time consuming because you do have to kind of crop out the stickers individually and stuff, but if you like planning and journaling and stuff, then this won't be a hassle. But I'm basically just putting down all my full boxes first, just because I'm quite a visual planner and I love to put all the full boxes down first. You will see I'm quite a visual planner. I like to put a lot of colour and stuff into the weekly spreads, and I don't have a lot of writing, but when I do fill it out, obviously if it's a busy week then it's a lot better, but if it's not then it's filled up mostly with pictures. But yeah, so basically I'm just putting in these little weekday stickers. I don't have dates on these ones, so I'm just writing them in, or you could just text them in if you don't like your own handwriting. So I'm just putting these in. So you're just basically individually cropping each sticker and putting it where you want to put it. The more you do this, the easier it does get. I do get a lot of comments of people saying, is this not boring? Does this not take forever? At first it does, because if you don't really know what you're doing, it can be a little bit time consuming. But once you know what you're doing, it's easy peasy, and you get going within minutes really. So here I am, I'm just writing in the dates because I don't have date dots with this one. Good thing is if you like a certain sort of sticker, you can just duplicate it and use it more than once, or copy and paste it, and you can use it wherever. So it's super simple. If you guys have followed me for a while, you'll know that I have been doing this for a little while now, but I just keep on kind of coming back to it because it's quite therapeutic for me, especially when the girls are in bed. I like to just sit here and create stickers and create kits and stuff and do my planner. I just think it's fun. A lot of people won't, so it's not for everybody, but I honestly find it so therapeutic and relaxing. I do want to try and do some more videos using my kits and advertising the kits on my Etsy shop, because I do have a couple up there now and I've nearly got 10 sales, so I'm pretty happy with that. I like this little sort of clear glittery one, so I used it quite a few times. Now I'm just going to add this pink one, and I'm just going to put this up here. Again, I'm just going to basically copy and paste that to every second one. And again, everyone has their own preference for how they plan. So if you don't like this amount of stickers or you feel that this is too much, then that's fine. So yeah, this is what the spread is looking like. I'm just adding this little sort of gold box here, and then I'm just going to put in this little pink box. Just going to turn it around and put it here, just to fill in this sort of gap. So when it comes to like these little circular things as well, if you do convert this to a PNG, then the background will be like transparent, so that will be so much easier to use. So this is me just writing in the spaces, basically stuff with my little pencil, but I do not like my writing because it's quite squiggly and stuff, so I'm just rubbing all that out. You can also use the little actual text tool, so I'm just showing you how to use that just now, and you can actually write in the little boxes and make it a lot neater. I do prefer it like that, so that's the way I do it sometimes, but I'm just showing you guys how, like, both ways that you can do it. But yeah, this is what the spread is looking like. I hope you guys enjoyed this little video. I hope it was helpful. Please let me know if you found it helpful, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.